So why haven't we seen the level of automation that you might expect by now? We've got all of these AIs that are able to do such amazing things, GPT-4, uh, and then soon to be GPT-5, the O models, Claude, so on. And they're always super smart. Why haven't we seen that level of automation that you might expect? People's jobs being replaced. Well, I think it's partially not technically because of the model's capabilities. I think some of the things that these models can do are pretty incredible, like beyond most people. But the fact is that there hasn't been the huge amount of money pumped into automating these things. Sure, banks are probably looking at, and you've got a few players here and there that might be trying to automate stuff, but it hasn't happened yet. And it's primarily because the major companies at the very top of this AI race are, what are they actually trying to do? They're trying to automate something incredibly difficult, which is AI research. And that's why they've concentrated on mathematics and coding so intensively. And yeah, when you sort of take those models and those base intelligences and you can apply them to different things, then you can automate a lot of things probably. I also think there's a sort of scale issue. So these models require so much energy, infrastructure, chips, and we can't really satisfy that demand. I also think that's a big risk because if I were a super intelligent AI that was trying to take over the world, I would want resources really badly. I'd be looking for energy, essentially. I'd be going around the world harvesting energy, and getting as much energy as possible. So, yeah, I think it's the lack of focus, essentially, that's meant that we haven't seen mass automation in certain sectors, even though I think it's possible. I mean, bye-bye bookkeepers, I think that's fairly easy to automate. And people who think, okay, this is too nuanced and stuff like that. I mean, some of the stuff that these AIs can do at the moment, I think if you extrapolate out, they'll be able to do it.